Ready to ditch slow shipping and unreliable suppliers from AliExpress and supercharge your Shopify dropshipping business with Zendrop? This tutorial will guide you step by step on how to seamlessly transition your Shopify store from AliExpress to Zendrop, unlocking faster shipping times, better product sourcing, and significantly improved customer satisfaction. First, let's head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. Navigate to Apps in the left-hand menu. In the Shopify App Store search bar, type Zendrop and hit Enter. Locate the official Zendrop app and click on the Add App button. You'll be prompted to review the permissions. Simply click Install App to proceed. Once installed, you'll be directed to your Zendrop dashboard. Here, you'll see prompts to connect your Shopify store. Click on the Connect Store button. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize Zendrop access to your Shopify store. This usually involves a simple approval step. Now for the exciting part, product sourcing. From your Zendrop dashboard, access the robust product catalog, browse by niche, trending products, or even import existing AliExpress products you want to transfer. To add a product to your store, simply click the Add to Store button next to your desired item. Zendrop handles the product import efficiently. With Zendrop, order fulfillment becomes a breeze. When a customer places an order on your Shopify store, Zendrop automatically processes it with your chosen supplier, drastically reducing manual work and order errors. Experience the difference with Zendrop's network of reliable suppliers, ensuring faster shipping times and fewer headaches for you and your customers. By switching to Zendrop, you're not just changing a supplier. You're upgrading your entire dropshipping operation for efficiency, growth, and happier customers. Start your Zendrop journey today.